Welcome to the project demonstration of Espresso coffee making machine by digitalizing that. So we have converted this to the electronic system which is mechanically control this coffee maker, and we have attached the two temperature sensors. One is for the container. So under this container we have placed the one DS18B20 temperature sensor as well as for the steamer. Okay, so two temperature sensors continuously measured, and that will be displayed on this 16:2 LCD screen, and remaining mechanism as it is, as we can get the coffee directly from this one. And here we have interfaced the Arduino Nano board, which will take the input from these two temperature sensors which are interfaced with the pin number 6 and 7, and LCD display at pin number A0 to A5. Directly we are going to continuously measuring the temperature of this container of this one as well as a steamer. So whenever we place this milk bottle over there for heating purpose, there we can get the temperature of this steamer of this milk directly. So in real time it is not there, but we have attached that for the production purpose. So let us check the demonstration. So here just we are pouring the water into this. So while pouring, check that the level will be there. Right, so we can see that level. So till that, pour the water, and after that, lock it tightly lock, that's very important. And thereafter, unlocking. So leveling up that with this. So here one more step important. So here also tightly lock. So there you can see the locking here. Okay, and it is tightly locked. Then place this container for the collection purpose. So in this manner, right? So now on the power supply. So when we are on the power supply, automatically this will get switched on and showing the welcome message, and then after temperature of the container as well as steamer, TS nothing but the steamer temperature. It is continuously displaying. So wait till this temperature increases. You can see this here. Here, place this knob to this coffee side. Right, now it start heating up slowly. So wait till this reaches the 80 degrees, then automatically the dispensing will be starts from this one. So here you can see this. So if you want the more temperature, just I'm offing this. So wait till the temperature reaches around of 100 degrees centigrade. It's better. Right. So meanwhile we'll pause the video. Right. Once it reaches the 80 degrees, now we can on this. Okay, to this coffee, the knob should be here. We can see it will start dispensing the coffee. It is Espresso directly is coming out from this one dispensing system. Right. So at the end we can see this. Once totally dispensed, the liquid will coming out like water. Now pause this. I'm pausing it here. Now let us keep this for milk heating purpose. So here we can see the temperature, and you can see on this our steamer TS temperature. Is it TS temperature? Okay. And above, here we are placing this to the steamer directly. So you can see this. You can see temperature over there. And by manually we can check the status over there. How much of temperature is required, you can check over there. Actually for best coffee it's going to be 70 degrees. Is it different? Right. We can wait for till 80 degrees. So you can see the temperature over there. It's got increasing. Keep on. So the best coffee around 75 to 80 degrees. So once reaches the temperature, now we can keep this knob off. Right. Okay. Now take this espresso and you can place this over there. Right. So based on your double cappuccino or you want, you can mix it over there. Yes, let us taste. Nice. Thank you.